Hello, my name is Kirsten Schultz. I am in the data. Hi, my name is Kirsten Schultz. I'm in the data analysis specialist program at NTC, and this is my second semester. I'm originally from Merrill, but I now live in Weston, near Wausau. I don't have much experience with data analytics, which is a reason why I'm taking these classes towards this certificate. When I was in college, I took one computer programming class, but other than that, I don't know much about programming. So I'm very excited for this class to learn more about SQL or SQL, however you say it. Um, and I've always enjoyed math. I was a math teacher for a while. I'm now in the uh, business industry. I got out of education. I worked at Foundation Finance as a credit underwriter for a couple of years, and now I'm working at Connexus Credit Union, basically as an auditor. My goal is to become a data analyst within the next year, so I think that this course will introduce me to a lot that a data analyst would do, and so I'm very excited to learn more about that.